Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take a B20 block that is fully populated and I'm going to strip it down to a bare block. Along the way, I'm going to show you everything I do to get this block prepped for the machine shop. Let's get started. Let's do a quick walk around of my B20. This is the first thing that I do. I record or I'll take pictures just to see what's going on with my B20. Just in case I have any questions later, I could always refer back to this video or my pictures to figure out what's going on. The other thing that you also want to do is start out with a fresh, clean drip tray. Just in case something falls out, you want to make sure that you capture it and see what it is. So if you have old stuff in there, if you have any fluids, it's not a good thing. Also, one of the other things that I always forget to do is I always forget to dump the oil. Whether you're rebuilding a motor or rebuilding a trans, make sure you dump your oil. I hope that we don't have to discuss this, but don't forget to let the coolant out of your block as well. There is a 19 millimeter plug right here, and it's usually pretty tight, so you may have to use a 1/2 inch ratchet on here. So just take this plug off and then rotate the block down so that way it'll dump all of the coolant out of it.